probably seen websites like this one, where you scroll down and you see this cool effect like you're peeking between bars. It's called parallax scrolling, and these websites have become crazy popular, partly because it's cool looking and partly because it's fun to say parallax. Now, you probably assume that to create sites like that, you need to know a little HTML, a little JavaScript, maybe be handy with CSS, and you'd be right. But Adobe has just come out with a cool little iPad app that lets you create one of those sites in about 5 minutes with no talent whatsoever. It's called Adobe Slate, and it is free. Yes, Adobe, the company that requires you to pay a monthly subscription forever to get Photoshop, is now offering free apps like this one. Anyway, Slate is great for making slideshows, invitations, diaries, book reports, proposals, brochures, college applications, anything else you might want to display online visually. I'm going to build a parallax site right now for adopting a cat. Clock me, 5 minutes tops. Okay, here are other people's finished projects for inspiration, but I'm going to tap Create New Project. The title, Adopt a Wilbur. Every time I see this plus button, I can add a picture or some text. I'm going to tap Photo. At this point, I can choose any picture on my iPad or take a picture or grab a picture from my Dropbox or Adobe accounts. I'm going to grab this one from my Dropbox. There are my folders. Nice. Oh dear, it looks like the title is right across Wilbur's face. So I'll just drag it up like this. Okay, now some text. There are lots of cats. This time I want a whole bunch of photos. I want a photo grid. So I'm going to grab a whole bunch of photos from the internet. Now I know, copyright, right? They'll hunt me down and sue me. No, they won't. The app shows me only the photos whose owners have marked them as free for everybody to use. Creative Commons, they call it. Royalty free, baby. Okay, I'll take these, this one, this one, this one. I'd like this one to be at the top, so I'm gonna hit the star button to promote it. Okay, and then I'm going to say there's only one Wilbur. And this time I'm going to add a picture from my Dropbox. What's cool is this app is building something that will look right on every computer, every tablet, every phone, even if somebody rotates the screen. So this button here lets me specify the important part of the photo so nothing essential will be cut off when the screen is rotated. Okay, I'm gonna finish up in fast motion here. He's good with kids, and a photo. He's good with food, and a photo. And he's an excellent watch cat, at least when he's awake. A photo grid here, different text styles like this. Now, before I send this out into the world, here's the juicy part. I don't have to spend 15 minutes hunting through the font menus. I can choose one of these canned type style designs. This one, or this one. Each one affects the entire feel of the whole project. Okay, I'm going to preview this thing before I send it out into the world. Looks adorable. All right, now I can publish it. Adobe is going to host this web page, absolutely free. It'll give me a web address, which I can copy, post to Twitter or Facebook, whatever, make it public, make it private, and there it's live. Now, Adobe Slate is fantastic, but before you go running off to download it, there is some fine print. First of all, available for now only on the iPad, not Android, not the phone, not the desktop. Second, I found some little bugs. I'm sure they'll get to that. Third, the whole thing is a little limited right now. Adobe says that more type designs are on the way, more animation types. Finally, one last bit of fine print. Wilbur is not actually available for adoption. He's mine.